You searched how to buy shares of Lectra SA. Lectra is a French company that makes CAD software and automated cutting systems for textiles and industrial applications, listed on Euronext under the ticker LSS.PA. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading a valid ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker LSS.PA to find the Lectra listing. Confirm you have selected the correct Euronext instrument for Lectra. On the asset page, review the basic company summary and the price chart to understand recent movements. Make sure the company profile and ticker match Lectra SA before proceeding. To invest, click Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed when it opens. And if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After confirmation, your position will appear in your portfolio and you can monitor it there. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform shown in this tutorial.